Well, big storms again. Great photos sent in to pics at mysuncoast.com. This one from Janet, right there by the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. You saw that squall line move in with the big gust front, producing some ominous-looking clouds. And this one from David Kreimer, who used to call me out at home plate occasionally. I remember playing softball. He's an umpire there at 17th Street boat ramp, or 17th Street, I should say, ballpark, not boat ramp. That's another thing I do, boat once in a while, and that's not good boating right now. It's I-75 right there again. A nice shot of the storm clouds raging in. Green Bridge and Palmetto. Jim sending this photo in too to pics at mysuncoast.com. And get a look at this lightning strike. I showed this earlier in the newscasts. This was at Lakewood Ranch just around 5 o'clock. Again, storms rolling in from the east and producing dangerous lightning. Also some gusty winds. No severe weather reported. There are some special marine warnings now in effect across parts of the coastal waters down south into Charlotte Harbor. But it's all a part of this high pressure ridge. High pressure off the coast of Florida continues to bring in this east to southeasterly wind flow, which brings in that tropical moisture, kind of collides with the west coast sea breeze. The convergence sets up, and the storms really tend to explode when the two meet, and that's what happened today. Although we're looking at light to moderate precipitation now as opposed to heavy rain and lightning earlier. Still, there's an occasional lightning strike here and there, but most of the lightning is over as the storms have dropped below that 30,000-foot threshold for the most part. So we're seeing a pretty moderate rainfall to heavy rain at times along Bradenton near Oneko, stretching down toward Bayshore Gardens. Lakewood Ranch still getting some light to moderate rainfall there, as well as into Anna Maria Island. And Siesta Key now getting some rain. No lightning west of I-75, but a couple of bolts about 5 minutes ago just to the east near. Again, you can see that activity winding down a little bit just to the east, again, of Venetian, and then showers and storms pretty heavy down south. But the general trend will be for light to moderate precipitation to occur here over the next hour or so, and then we'll start to see things calm down. Well, they're looking at this area right now, the National Hurricane Center, keeping an eye on it for some potential. The forecast models are suggesting that we may see a low pressure area develop here over the next 5 days. They're giving it a 20% chance right now of developing over the next 5 days. We'll watch and see what happens. More than likely, if it were to develop, it would head off to the north and possibly to the northwest, but there's still a long way off on that, so we'll just watch it and kind of keep an eye on it. Just kind of gives you the a little bit of a warning saying, hey, listen, make sure that your hurricane supply kit is up to date, as well as you have your plan ready to go if something were to come our way. 73 degrees right now. Dew point is at 71, so it's cooled off quite nicely as a result of these afternoon showers and storms. 91 the high today, a couple degrees above the average. Our low was also above average. Just checked the rain gauge at the airport. Already reporting 69 hundredths of an inch, 7/10 really, so we'll be above average for the year now. After today's rainfall and tomorrow's rain, it's going to keep coming. Showers and storms are expected in the afternoon and evening as a result, again, of that southeasterly wind flow, which we'll see throughout the day tomorrow. It won't be strong, but that southeasterly wind will bring us a chance for showers and storms, and some of those could be moderate to heavy, just like we saw today. And that forecast continues, it looks like, over the upcoming days. Well, here's the boating forecast for tomorrow. Seas running 2 feet or less with a light chop out there. That's going to be similar on Thursday and Friday, too. Water temperature now at 84 degrees. The UV index will be a 7. And the forecast tides upcoming. Low tide will be 11:14. Sunset at 8:26 and sunrise at 6:35. Mostly cloudy. The strong storms are over. We'll still see some showers around those. 73, an occasional lightning strike not out of the question. Tomorrow, look for some sunshine in the morning, a few clouds and storms in the afternoon. High of 88. The extended forecast not calling for much change right on in through the weekend and beyond, with a good chance for scattered storms.